Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1981 Jeep Scrambler. These are pretty rare. You don't really see them in this condition either. This one just undergone a 2-year restoration. Body was taken off. Was originally a farm truck. And then my client purchased a fiberglass body, put that on, and went through the whole truck. It's got the 4.6 6 under the hood, 4-wheel drive, and everything works. Everything's brand new too. Brand new paint, brand new graphics, brand new wheels, tires, bumpers, roll bar. The hardtop's original. You can also see pictures of the truck, what it looked like prior to the restoration. Shocks, gas cap, tail lights, headlights, flares, new doors. Goes on and on. Love the color that he picked. This truck rolled out of the factory in like a burgundy-ish color. Again, new front bumper. This by Rugged Ridge. They make tons of aftermarket parts for Jeeps. New chrome grille up front, new headlights. These turning signal lamps are original. The graphics are vinyl. Really looks good in this color too. Rearview mirrors. Also has a sunroof up there. Four-speed manual. Little pop-up roof. Rhino Lined Bed. New center caps. Seats. I like how it came all the way around with the color and sprayed the dash. Doors. Rhino lined the interior and added carpet as well. Drives nice. I just drove it over here. Fires right up. Real nice oil pressure. 86,056 original miles. Obviously, it's been restored though. Tons of new parts in this truck. I noticed that this door over here wasn't shut all the way. Rear bumper too with the tow package. Runs real nice. There you go. There it is, 4-liter, straight 4. That's a Chevy motor. New alternator, new power brake booster. New battery, new carburetor, all new hoses, clamps, everything. Runs real nice. It's like a new radiator too. New tie downs for the hood. Nice Jeep. Love the Scrambler with the long box. It's pretty cool. It's real nice with the top off as well.
joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button and visit our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.